This video is recorded on my iPhone 15 Pro as well as the GoPro Hero 12. They got like this little path right here going down. Gotta watch out for pedestrians and all of that. I was ready to get on this journey to this Valkenburg, and you know, I don't even know. But the part that I'm gonna go to is full of cyclists with racing bikes, of course. And it's a pretty popular part of, you know, the world. After this is basically the countryside over here. There's a toll museum. I didn't want to stop because of the momentum, you know. Then there's like a little piece in Aachen going up. And then there's this piece, which probably goes pretty fast. I wanted to see it for myself, and I decided to go on this beautiful summer day, which is not always a great idea, but if you see the views, wow, amazing. This is where I'm speeding down the road. I think I was going about 45 kilometers an hour. I always try to be as mindful as possible about everybody around me, because I know how it is to be a driver and hate those cyclists getting all up in the road and, you know, getting in the middle and stuff. That's not cool. So I just want to be, you know, careful and stuff and think about my surroundings. However, some cars might be, you know, want to go a little slower, guys. However, the road was fine for me though. This is where I was entering Seffen, if I'm pronouncing it correctly. And just like that, exited it also. There's a huge structure up ahead. This is probably the last part, and that's where the dead end is. Like, y'all can't use a race bike out here. It appears we're inside the town right now, going up. Gotta take a left up there. You can hear my breath, right? And then you arrive up there. There's a monument up there. And we are almost at the 3 points. Like, the point is up there, full of people and all, you know. So that actually up there, it's like the part where you like entering 3 countries at once. That's what's up. Okay, and that up there is, I think, the highest point. I don't remember what part. We're gonna check it out closer. And I definitely need a breakfast. So that's the highest point in Netherlands.
right there. And that's the coat of arms presented for you. I think that's the labyrinth in the back right there. Did that. Let's have a breakfast. Okay, so that took us like 1 hour, 4 minutes. Average speed 20, that's kind of slow. And the distance is 20 kilometers, 73. Only sad thing is they got no trash cans out here, man. Gotta look for some. Let's find one. So I'm going to check out the time, how far it's going to take from Freeport to Valkenburg. Let's go. check this out. That's cool. I'm not gonna go there.